Voiceover audio recording at home will have room echo. I'll show you how to eliminate with effects built into Final Cut Pro. No external plugins are required. This is how the raw audio from the voiceover sounds.
Support for the current generation of Apple M1, M1 Pro and M1 Max computers.
And this is how it sounds when the echo has been removed and a little bit of added bass to boost it.
And that now gives native support for the current generation of Apple M1, M1 Pro and M1 Max computers. And M1 Max computers. And M1 Max computers.
So let's look at how to fix to remove the echo from the room. Enveloper is the effect for this. Use Room Killer. Drag it onto the clip. This is much more sensitive to the actual footage you're working with, and you'll need to try with your footage. But I find that release gain and threshold make the biggest changes. I've set mine here at about -40 for the gain and 50 for the threshold. Now let's play the differences. This is the original.
Support for the current generation of Apple M1, M1 Pro and M1 Max computers.
And this is the sweetened version.
And that now gives native support for the current generation of Apple M1, M1 Pro and M1 Max computers.
If you're recording in the same environment, these settings are going to be similar each time you edit. So you could save the settings for the next time. Select the Save Effects preset at the bottom of the inspector. Select the effects you want to save and don't forget EQ effect. And over to you if you want to save the volume, as that'll most likely need adjusting next time anyway. Name it and add it to a category. I'll save this one to My Favourites. Next time you want to sweeten your voiceover, drag the preset effect to the clip and all the effects are added. Play the new clip.
Current generation of Apple M1, M1 Pro and M1 Max computers.
Adjust it if you need to, but whatever, the basics are there and don't have to be repeated every time you want to sweeten your voiceovers. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and press the bell. Thanks for watching.